Although your local paint center or decorating center should mix your paint, you can use a paint mixer to stir the paint until it fully recombines or mixes properly. Without proper mixing, the paint will not apply to the surface in the way that you want, okay? So, if your paint isn't properly mixed, stir the paint with your mixture until it becomes a homogeneous mixture. And so, with the aid of a non-flex scraper, I will get the lead off. On visual inspection, the paint looks well mixed already from the decorating center, but for demonstration purposes, I will be showing you how to mix your paint, okay? So insert the mixer into the chock of your drill. Vary the speed of the drill to 1, press on the trigger, and the mixer spindle starts to spin. Continue to spin until the mixture is uniform and devoid of any bubbles. You cannot fully eradicate bubbles because of the action of the spindle or the mixer spinning, but to a great degree, you can reduce the amount of bubbles that you've got in your paint, okay? So just keep spinning till your mixture becomes homogeneous and devoid of most of the bubbles that you've got, to an nth degree. So here I am actually trying to properly mix an eggshell paint, okay? And once I'm satisfied on visual inspection that the paint has been properly mixed, I will take out the mixer from the chock of the drill and clean the mixer as quickly as possible because this is an eggshell paint. And once it dries, on the nooks and crannies, it becomes quite difficult to get off because this is an eggshell paint. So just make sure you dip it in cleaning solvent or you brush, your mixer as quickly as possible, as opposed to your matte paint, which can come off relatively easily. Don't forget to click on the link in the description for prepping or masking and taking off masking, for paint mixing and painting other variant colors. Don't forget to subscribe and share as we move on to the next stage of painting the room in Hicks blue and white eggshell.